Hello guys, welcome to the channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are going to compare the OnePlus 11 versus the OnePlus 11R. So the OnePlus 11 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 versus the OnePlus 11R comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Start off from the Antutu benchmark on both of them. And before starting the Antutu benchmark, I am gonna turn on the high performance mode on both of them. So first of all, just go to settings and go into the battery on both of them, battery, and over here you can see more settings. Tap on the more settings and here you can see the high performance mode and on. Okay, and now we are going to start the Antutu benchmark. So guys, these are the scores of the OnePlus 11R versus OnePlus 11. So 10 lakh is the scores of the OnePlus 11R and 12 lakh 32k is the scores on the OnePlus 11. And you can see in detail, if you look at the GPU, there is a significant difference. 4 lakh 58 is the score on the OnePlus 11R versus 5 lakh 62k is the score on the OnePlus 11. And if you look at the CPU, it is almost close, 2 lakh 48 versus 2 lakh 44, even less on the OnePlus 11. And if you look at the memory, it is slightly higher, over 2 lakh 32 versus 1 lakh 81. And if you look at the UX, it's 1 lakh 71 versus 1 lakh 92. And both phones were really warm after the Antutu benchmark. So especially the frame and the back glass went really warm on both of them, actually almost unable to hold because that was really warm. You can see 43.2 degrees Celsius on the 8 Gen 2 and 42.2 on the 8 Plus Gen 1, and especially 6.6 degree Celsius was increased on the OnePlus 11R versus 5.7 degree increased on the OnePlus 11, and both dropped exactly 5% on both of them. And if you look at the storage test, so if you look at the storage scores, you can see 71k versus 1,21,000 on the OnePlus 11, and you can see the read speed is 26k versus 50k. That almost double the difference. And if you look at the MB per second, 1,708 MB per second is on the OnePlus 11 versus 3,279 MB per second is on the OnePlus 11. So that's a huge difference between both of them. And write speed 22k versus 37k, and random access speed is 23k versus 33k. So that's a significant improvement in terms of the GPU as well as the storage speed. So guys, this is the scores of the CPU test on the OnePlus 11 versus the OnePlus 11R, and you can see CPU ordered to 93% of maximum performance on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the OnePlus 11, and CPU ordered to 88% of maximum performance on the 11R with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And if you look at the maximum chips, you can see 2 lakh 52 is the maximum chips on the OnePlus 11 versus 2 lakh 61, slightly higher chips on the OnePlus 11 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. But the thing is, if you look at the graph, actually the graph seems really promising on the OnePlus 11. You can see very minor drops on the OnePlus 11 versus you can see a minor significant drops here and there on the OnePlus 11R. So overall, it is a bit better performed on the OnePlus 11 than the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 on the OnePlus 11R. So guys, that's it for today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.